Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional ebook using Claude AI and Canva. You don't need to be a writer, a designer, or a publishing expert, but by the end of this tutorial, you will have a complete ebook ready to sell, share as a lead magnet, or publish online. Alright, so the next step we're going to be taking is choosing your ebook topic. So every successful ebook starts with a topic people actually want to learn about. It could be personal finance, weight loss, productivity, AI tools, social media marketing, freelances or freelancing, online business, and fitness. So just choose a topic that solves a specific problem for a specific audience. So instead of using fitness guide, you could just say the beginner's 30-day weight loss plan, something like that. All right, so how can you now use Claude to generate your ideas? Basically, you could use Claude to brainstorm for ideas by telling it to generate you some ideas. So let's just say generate 20 ebook ideas for people interested in starting an online business in 2026, and just click send. So it's going to begin sending. But before this, please make sure you have a Claude account, otherwise this wouldn't work. You could sign up using your Google account. Alright guys, so Claude can quickly provide niche specific ideas that would take much longer to brainstorm individually or manually. So here are some examples tailored to online business landscapes, and if you scroll through, you can see some good ideas for your business. So, and a follow-up question would be, do you want me to develop any of these further? Outlines, chapter breakdowns, or even a full draft for one? You could choose to say yes, or just, type out the prompt. But let's go ahead and create an ebook outline. So once you've chosen a topic, let's say we want something like a virtual assistant, we could just simply ask it to create a detailed ebook outline for a beginner's guide to virtual assistants, and just hit enter. A strong outline makes the writing process much easier. So it could give us things like chapter 1, chapter 2, and a few more chapters. So it's gone through by creating a few chapters here for us, and we can easily make use of these during our creation process on Canva. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to be doing is writing the ebook with Claude. So we just simply tell it to write chapter 1 of this ebook in a beginner-friendly tone, including practical examples and actionable advice. So basically just write that out as a prompt here, and Claude AI will begin working on that. It looks like this, and just hit on enter and it will begin working. Claude will then begin working on creating the chapter 1 for this, and it should begin with a beginner-friendly tone and also include actionable advice. So you can see the chapter 1, understanding the virtual assistant landscape, what virtual assistant really is, and why the demand grows, as well as the type of virtual assistant roles you can get, and a few more things. You can just see it working in real time. Alright, so you could ask it to generate each chapter individually rather than trying to generate an entire book in one prompt. It doesn't work that way. You could go chapter by chapter, making your corrections and refining it. So that's one of the most important things, refining the edits from Claude. Now, the next step we're going to be taking after it has provided us with the chapter 1 would be to create the ebook graphics. An ebook is more engaging and professional when it is attractive. So you could ask it to suggest infographic ideas for a digital marketing ebook, or in our case, a virtual assistant ebook. So this looks like saying, just suggest infographic ideas for the ebook, and just simply hit enter. So it's going to begin suggesting the infographics we actually need. And once it's done, we can now begin applying the ideas we could use. This says a wheel diagram and also some certain things. So once it loads in, you could just simply read through it and apply this. So you could use Claude to generate the visual concepts, charts, and graphic ideas. It's a really good software. All right, now the next step after this is to simply open up Canva and look for an ebook template. So just make sure you have a Canva account, head into templates, and where we have such millions of templates, go ahead and type in ebook, or you could be more precise and say virtual assistant ebook. So we could go ahead and use other people's sample to create ours. So just say virtual assistant ebook and just hit enter. So it's going to begin loading through. Now you do have to understand that most of these are premium templates, so you need to own a Canva premium account in order to enjoy these services. So this looks like a really good one, or you could go with this or something like this. There are 3 options here. So we have the free option, and we have the paid option. So let's go with this. Click on one of them and it will begin highlighting it, and then just simply click on customize this template. So we can use this template as our home page or our front cover page for our ebook. Basically, open up Canva, search for your template, select the design, and then choose a template that matches your topic and the audience. So we're just going to allow it load in properly. And then once it's done loading in, you can now begin designing your ebook pages. So it's time to bring your content into Canva. So you could just simply copy the text all the way from here. So just simply copy your chapter 1 from here. You could scroll to the bottom, click on copy, and copy your chapter 1, and then move it over to the virtual assistant ebook on Canva here. So we could just simply add a second page for that and head back here, copy this out, head back to this, and head into the text area. So we could just simply select a little body of text here and use the Ctrl key and V to paste all we've copied from Claude, and then just simply minimize till it actually fits in to what we want. So now if it doesn't fit in, you could just simply restructure the book as much as you want. You could just start with the chapter 1 here and then just scroll through till you find a certain point to break it. So let's say everything from here should be deleted. So we could just have everything get deleted, and that way we can just structure this so it actually fits into our book, and you can create as many pages as you want for your book. So you could just simply add another page and just keep continuing from that spot. That way you get to finish up the ebook and keep your pages clean and readable. So avoid overcrowding them with too much text, as that is quite unattractive for someone who's looking to make sales. Alright guys, and once you're done, just create a professional cover. Your cover could be this at the top, and you could just simply click on the background color wheel to make it purple or lavender or coral red or something like light gray or even peach. This looks good. And just customize the text till it fits into what you want, and that's it. So guys, that's how you can go about creating it. Once you're done, click on share at the top right corner, click on download, and just simply click on download once more to simply download the ebook you have created as a PDF. So instead of saving it as a PNG, go ahead and select PDF standard or PDF for print. It depends on how you want your topics. So click on PDF standard and then just go ahead and select all the pages you want to export, and then click on download and you're done. Alright guys, and the most important part is customizing and monetizing your ebook. So after you're done customizing, in order to monetize, now that your ebook is complete, there are a few ways. You could sell it on your website. If you own a website, you could offer it as a lead magnet, or you could bundle it with an online course that you're selling on any platform, and you could sell it through a digital marketplace or use it for your email lists. Alright guys, and that's how to create a professional ebook using Claude and Canva in 2026. By combining AI-powered writing with Canva's design tool, you can achieve a lot. And if you want to restructure anything here, you can always come back and simply make your changes or just ask the Canva AI to shorten the entire text so it fits into the page. And that's it guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.